Utica,
Another
Gridley,
EAS.
Flanagan, Odell, Cornell, Sonderman, Ransom, Rutland, Kangley, Long Point, Verona, Dana,
Here we go. Lasalle County. Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lasalle County and north central Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Peru, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Peru, Oglesby, Lasalle, Utica, Louisville, North Utica, Cedar Point, and Troy Grove, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 52 and 68. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 94. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Matthiasson State Park, and Starved Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm